grade 12, if you subtract 15 minus 11, then you will find that that difference is 4. Okay, so the common difference is 4. Now the formula you need to know is this one. Okay, the nth term equals A, which stands for the first term, plus n minus 1, which is the position, times the common difference. Okay, or you can also write it as the nth term equals T1, first term, plus the common difference, and in brackets n minus 1. So this is the one that is used in the book, and that's the one that we used in class. This formula, people, you must just simply know, like you must know all other formulas. Okay, so if you now want to find the nth term, okay, nth term meaning you must find Tn in general format. You're just simply going to substitute. Okay, in the place of A, you must put the first term, which is 3, plus n is what we want to, Tn is what we want to find out, so that is going to remain n minus 1. Okay, and the common difference you have calculated as being 4, so times 4. Then we calculate the right hand side. First do the brackets, people. 4 times n is 4n, and then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And now 3 minus 4, people, gives me negative 1. So my answer will be 4n minus 1. So this is the formula for the nth term for that specific sequence. So this is asked very often, and I think this is also maybe not a problem, but I know lots of you don't know this formula. So please learn this formula now. Okay. Then another question which they could now ask you, or they can ask you if they are giving you the nth term, okay, is for instance to calculate the 15th term, people, meaning n is 15, isn't it? And they want to know, if you go on writing these terms, which term would be at the 15th position. That's what they ask, the 15th term. So you will then use your formula, 4n minus 1. And this is n, isn't it? Because it is the position. Okay. So you will now go and you will substitute 15 instead of n, and then subtract 1. Okay. And if you calculate that, it will give you 59. So if we go back up here, people, on the 15th position, you would actually have 59. So T15, okay, is 59. So if you go back here, you can actually replace that with 15, T15. So at the 15th position, you will have 59. So that is then the second type of question they ask you, is to actually calculate the term for a position that is given. Okay. Then the last one that they usually, or that they can ask, is to actually ask you which term, okay, is equal to 83. So meaning this, people, is Tn, okay, and which term is n that is being asked. Okay, so again, you take your formula, Tn equals 4n minus 1. And now Tn, people, you substitute with 83. Okay, equals 4. N is what is being asked. Okay, which term? Minus 1. So now we're just simply going to do Goros O. Take this over here, which is 84 equals 4n. Then we will divide by 4 on both sides. So n then equals 21. No, sorry. Okay, 84 equals 4n, divide 4 by both sides, and then n equals 21. Which means if we go up here again, people, if you go on and on and on, the 83, okay, which was given, will be at the 21st place. So those are the 3 basic questions that they ask about sequences. Grade 12, please ensure that you get it this year because it's really easy work for core level. And as I said in the beginning of the video, this was a big problem last year. So take some time and please let me know if you don't understand, and then I'll try and shoot more videos.